Investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, is one of the best ways to access the local and global stock markets. And at ETFSA, we've made it easier than ever before. Our self-directed platform, the Investor Hub, offers tax-free and discretionary investment accounts for individuals and minors to start investing in multiple ETFs and other listed products. The minimum investment is only 300 Rand. The platform is affordable too, costing you only 50 cents with every 100 Rand you invest. That's only half of a percentage. Whilst buying and selling the ETFs is performed at very low fees of only 0.1%. To navigate your way to the Investor Hub, visit our website etfsa.co.za. Click on Log In and then ETFSA Investor Hub. Once you are on the Hub domain, click Sign Up on the top right-hand corner. You will then need to follow the quick and simple onboarding process. You'll need to have your FICA information on hand and ready to upload. Once your account is open, you'll have the option of starting both a tax-free account or a discretionary account, or both. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, and you simply click on the ETF or portfolio you want to invest in, together with the Rand value of your investments. And off you go. No complex navigation, trading screens, or stockbroking jargon. We've made investing even easier by making available a number of specific ETF portfolios aimed at specific goals like income, capital growth, or offshore exposure. Our flagship Balanced Foundation ETF is also available on the platform. But perhaps the defining feature of all of this is that you can actually call someone. Yes, call someone if you get stuck. We have a dedicated client liaison team ready to assist, and a team of trained financial planners for more advanced help if required. Welcome to the home of exchange-traded funds, ETFSA. ETFSA Portfolio Management Company and etfsa.co.za are authorized financial services providers.